Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to apply the zoom in and out effect in CapCut PC. First of all, open up CapCut and then drag the clip you want to apply the zoom in effect to your timeline. For this case, I'll be using a stock market clip. Just drag it here and then click on the video in your timeline. Go here to the top right corner. Select video and make sure it's in the basic tab. Leave it at that and now go back to your timeline and select when you want your zoom in effect to start happening. So let's put the timer here and then go back to the top right corner next to transform. Click on this diamond to add a keyframe. Let's say this. And then go a bit further to select when do you want your zoom effect to fully happen. Once we figured it out, go to the top right corner next to transform, click on this diamond to add another keyframe. Now here we can adjust how much do we want to zoom in or out in the clip. So if we want to zoom in, we can drag the scale to the right. And if we want to zoom out, drag it to the left. So we'll be zooming in first, put it to this much, let's say, and then go back to your timeline and select when do you want your zoom in to start ending. Once you do, go to the transform and click on the diamond again, and then go a bit forward to select when you want your zoom effect to fully end, and add another keyframe, and reset your scale back to 100% to the normal size. Now let's do the same for a zoom out effect in the front here. Add another keyframe to select when do you want to start zooming out. Select now when do you want your zoom out to fully happen. Let's go here. Add another keyframe. Go on the scale and drag it back. Let's zoom out this much. And then go forward to when do we want to start ending the zoom out effect. Click on the diamond again to place a keyframe. And then go forward to select when do we want to zoom out to fully end. Click again on the diamond and bring this back to 100%. Now let's play the video to see what will happen. So what should happen is here we start the zoom in and then here we start the zoom out effect. So let's play the clip. Zoom in, end it, and then zoom out, and it ended. And just like that, guys, we are now able to create the zoom in and zoom out effect in CapCut PC. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.